They don't know staring is impolite. You wouldn't want to catch this wolf spider on a full moon. This one looks way too confident. A female jumping spider doesn't have time for games. They are clearly plotting the next attack. For a crabby spider, this one looks pretty chill. This one can't tell where to look first.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.